I am making again these coal hoppers. If interested, check the link in the description. They are really good. They are made out of basswood, so they're painted, and this can be removed. So if you don't need this board, it's not glued. The rest obviously is glued, but as you can see, we can use this without the base, and they look really good actually. As always, check the link in the description. Now let's continue. Still have like 11 more boxes, but we are going to focus on 4. I've lost track of all the boxes, so I don't know which ones are now for parts or not working. Obviously this one needs some repair, and Duke decals. I think these ones are for parts. So I rather like to buy broken non-working models than the good ones. This one doesn't seem to be a big problem. Oops. Thomas works, so it's only one cog that needs to be replaced. This Duke, yes, definitely needs some inside clean. Look at the cogs, and it comes with a battery. What's going on? It's working. I need a new coupler. I don't hear any problems with this Duke, so I guess only some touch-up cleaning and decals. I don't hear any problems with this, so it's in good working order. And definitely we need oh, look at that, there is a corrosion, rust, battery corrosion. I don't know if this one is it's bananas Gordon. I don't think it's gonna work with the battery, but I'm going to try to so connect with alligator clips work. So the only problem we need to do fix is the hold on, it's not getting contact. We need to get rid of that. I don't hear any cracking noises, clicking noises on the motor. So we only need to remove replace this battery terminal. So I'm gonna scratch a little bit, scrape it a little bit, and see if we can. No, it's not working, not making any contact. I'm gonna try again. Yeah, I would like to see if 1.5 volts, which is the battery, makes any works. No, so but still works with the 5 volts, so we need to replace that battery terminal. That's good though. You know what, I got this package over I think a week ago. It's a bag. This was sent by Amazon seller or company. I need to make a video out of this, showcase this actually bag, travel bag. Check the link in the description. So as always, thank you to all these companies for sending me products. Now let me tell you, I regret not answering or checking all these emails from other companies. 2 years ago I lost my opportunity. I think it was a year and a half ago. I lost an opportunity to get, what is this, custom or to get the e-bike. Unfortunately I replied like see, Google puts all this promo emails and things that Google thinks that those are spam, and I think I found it on the spam folder, and I replied to these companies about that, and I lost the opportunity on an e-bike. So about 2 or 3 months ago, also got I got in contact a company contacted me actually for another e-bike, different e-bike. I was in the middle of negotiations, and they told me, you know what, this suits you better. And I say, yes, whatever you want, because I had two options. I had one option for adults and one for teenagers. And I said, yes, I have a teenager that battery terminals look okay, needs some fresh decals. According to the seller, this one is the only one that works, but I don't see any reaction on this one. So at the end, I lost that opportunity to another e-bike deal, and then I say, you know what, I'm gonna start checking all the emails, and I'm just gonna say yes to everybody, every company, every Amazon seller, every new business. I'm just saying yes. It's a little noisy, it's a little loud, but I see it's working. Look at that. There is some thread. It still works. It's working. So I lost my opportunity on this. Is this Plarail? It's white running board. Comes with batteries, and look, smooth. This one is good. These are Trackmaster Revolutions, but I'm gonna check all these anyways. All right, here's what we got. We have these Thomas with good battery terminals. They look clean. Oh, look at that rubber tire. Okay, fix it. I need a lot of the dusting, good deep cleaning, and driving axle is okay. Maybe the motor coil we can replace, and actually I don't need this. And I put fresh batteries to this one. It's not working, but I tried with my alligator clips, and I had a reaction before. Let me see. So there, it's working. Anyways, this Gordon actually needs a lot of cleaning. All these are very dusty, and this is some sort of Thomas with Treasure Thomas or something. It's working. Trackmaster Revolutions, obviously deep cleaning, and the last, this one I think is for parts. Look at the condition of this model. I don't see any. It comes with a battery. Maybe it's a little corroded in, I don't know. Oh, look at that. Very smooth, dusty, but it's working. I think we can use, yeah, we can use the entire body and the top. I don't know. I mean, we can use the chassis, and I have, I think, some spare parts around somewhere. On this box, let me see, we have Express. Smells like perfume. Express red coaches. Yep, good. They are little cups, and some smells good actually. All right, yellow car. It is motorized. I think it's heavy, but I don't see any. No, there's no batteries inside. If I'm not mistaken, sellers say they are working. I don't see any reaction on this model, but I hate when they say it's working. Let me see. Now it's working. Smooth, quiet. Nice. Hitoy Company. Okay, this one is working. Those are really filthy, but I give them a deep clean, and they look really good actually. I think this is for whiff, and here is a chicken car for, I think it's for, comes with Billy. Nice. It's missing the other piece. And a solar mining car, another car. Oh, this one is for close shaped duck, and we have a Tolkien James. Any others? Okay, let me check. Tolkien James. I'm trying to. Okay, here I have 3 batteries. Battery terminals look clean. I hope it works.
Hello, I'm James.
It's working. Working good. Do you know that every 13 seconds these engines next phrase
I'm James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's the next one. And so on. It's every 13 seconds you're gonna hear a sound or a phrase when these models talk. There's another coming.
Full steam ahead.
You hear it? I think I timed it the other day. It's every 13 or 12 or 13 seconds. But this one works. Are there any more? Oh, okay, I see something good. Okay, make some room. And this is much better. Look, compare this with this filthy, dirty Thomas. This one is looking good. I need a fresh battery. Let me see. It does have a battery corrosion. I'm gonna replace that battery terminal. So this one is obviously a driving axle coil and a motor coil, and it's very clean. I like it. This one is clean. Here is another Thomas, and this is Tomy. I see some battery corrosion. I don't remember if this is for parts or not working. I don't remember. I'm gonna check in a minute what's going on with this. Okay, I read the listing, and it says for parts are not working. Obviously we have a good motor now. It's working. Needs touch up, new battery terminals, and we are good to go with these Thomas. These are looking good actually. They look good. Hold on, I need to put this. There you go. Let me check. I have another Thomas here. This one is a toy company. Oh man, yes, it needs. We need to replace those battery terminals. This also. Let me see. Driving axle coil and the motor coil is noisy. We need to replace that one as well. Let me check. I'm gonna try if yeah, it's working with the battery now. See, it's keeping a step, a gear, and it's a little noisy. But the exterior is good. That's what I like. It's good. Oh, look at this one. Comes with batteries. It just needs a motor coil, and we are good with that one. Let me see what's next. So this one comes with a lot of. There's a James, Henry, and I think it's Gordon. But all these were for parts. Corrosion, and it's working. You hear that? Yeah, I like it. I like when I get this for parts. Okay, now let's see these models. Comes with, it's missing one rubber tire, yellowish face. I like it. Comes with the battery covers. That's good, and the coupling, it's there. So that's another plus. I like it. But does it work? All right, we're going to use our alligator clips and see. So I guess these wires are too old and might be broken somewhere between the battery terminal and the engine Yeah, so we need to rewire that Henry. Decals are okay. All right, and now it's the turn for Gordon. Same, it looks okay. This one is Tommy, but look at this, some faded, and the decals, I mean, it's the original one. The other side is good. And let's check battery terminals are okay. I think these ones are good for repaint them, you know, like a green Gordon. Well, at least it's working, and it's working good. Or you know what we can do, it's I can replace the top of this Gordon. I have some Gordons laying around in a box. I have them in a box, so this, maybe that one works, I don't know. Good thing that comes with the battery cover. This as well, James, battery cover present. Yeah, I think I'm going to replace maybe the tender, and it should be okay. No, there's no reaction. Let's see my alligator clips. Aha, good. This is good, and it sounds really good, actually, really good. Yep, good. We have battery covers and the coupling. That's excellent. This is coming from United Kingdom, and I'm gonna open this up next video. I think it's a fix and repair something, but see, I've been very busy. I have a lot of boxes to, you know, open. Well, anyways, that's all for today.